Oh yeah, so sexy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my. Wow. That is, ooh, that's nice. Yeah, oh yeah. Melvin, what are you doing? Nothing? Nothing at all? Melvin, you're doing something on this computer. Are you looking at porn? No. Well, what are you looking up? Corn, see? It's not porn. It's, corn. Melvin, you're a very weird individual. I know. I am. See you. Oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's one hot chick right there. Oh, my God. So sexy. Oh, yeah. Melvin, what are you doing? Nothing, Booger, nothing. What are you doing in here in the dark? I was, looking up, hot chicks online. See? I like hot chicks. Melvin, I'm going to kill you. It's not porn. It's, chicks. Get it? Hot chicks. So sexy. Oh, yeah. See us. Well, folks, I'm gonna get something out of the freezer here. Melvin, what are you doing in the freezer? I don't know. It's, cold in there, buddy. My fingers is cold. So cold in there. Oops, sorry. Hey, Booger. What, Melvin? You want a hot dog? Uh-oh. Melvin, that was my foot. Sorry. That's a hot winner there. See ya. Oh my god. Damn, how'd she do that? Holy shit. Oh yeah, that's so sexy. I'm gonna save that pic. Oh my god. Whew, so hot. Oh my god.